Number 1. 1979 Ford F250, $1,700. Grapeview, Washington. This 1979 Ford F250 offers a rugged platform for restoration or parts. Powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, it starts and runs strong but needs a new clutch to be reliably drivable. The body is fairly solid with minimal rust, primarily near the bed and cab junction. It is a rear-wheel drive long bed model, painted in red. The biggest drawback is the missing title, which complicates registration. At this price, it's a potential donor for its drivetrain or a challenging project for the determined restorer. Number 2. 1971 Ford F100, $1,1500, Seattle, Washington. A mechanic special, this 1971 Ford F100 features a two-tone Ford crimson and white finish and retains its original charm. It comes with an 8-foot bed and a clean title. Though the engine still starts and runs, it stalls during motion. A compression test shows acceptable results, but the motor may be on its last legs. With 126,891 miles on the odometer, rolled over, it's a project best suited for someone with engine replacement capabilities or looking to swap in a modern powertrain. Number 3. 1976 Ford F150, $1,000, Tunica, Mississippi. Garage kept and showing approximately 80,000 original miles, this 1976 Ford F150 is a well-preserved example of mid-1970s Ford craftsmanship. Built in Santa Monica, California, it comes with a 390 FE V8 and an automatic transmission. Finished in baby blue, the truck is in good condition and has been well cared for, though it needs some attention. With a clean title and documented provenance, this truck presents a solid investment for enthusiasts looking for originality and minimal restoration work. Number 4. 1976 Ford F150 4x4, $4,500, Boulder, Montana. A rare and practical workhorse, this 1976 Ford F150 comes equipped with a 300 inline-6 engine, 4-wheel drive, and a 4-speed manual transmission. What sets this model apart is the 9-foot-long bed, ideal for agricultural or hauling purposes. The truck has only 44,000 miles and includes vintage features such as a red velvet bench seat and a gun rack. It's not suited for daily driving, but is perfect as a functional classic for ranch or recreational use. Comes with spare tire, chains, and toolbox. Number 5. 1974 Ford F100, $950, Roseburg, Oregon. This non-running 1974 Ford F100 is a low-cost restoration candidate with a 302 cubic inch V8 and manual transmission. The truck has been off the road for years and requires carburetor and ignition work, as well as body repair and rust treatment. Notably, the fuel tank is removed but included. With 180,000 miles and a clean title, this truck is a solid parts source, or a full restoration for someone wanting a 1970s project on a tight budget. Number 6. 1979 GMC Caballero, $4,950, Bend, Oregon. This 1979 GMC Caballero, the cousin to the Chevrolet El Camino, is a stylish car-truck hybrid featuring a V8 engine and a factory 4-speed manual transmission. It has functional power windows, door locks, and air conditioning. The body is clean with only minor rust near the rear window. While it runs, drives, and stops well, the interior requires attention and some gauges and fans need repair. With 83,016 miles and a clean title, it's a desirable vintage utility coupe ready for cruising or light hauling. Number 7. 1974 Ford F350 long bed, $3,500. Prosser, Washington. This 1974 Ford F350 is a heavy-duty long bed pickup with a rebuilt 460 cubic inch engine showing only 17,000 miles. It's backed by a 4-speed manual transmission and features a new carburetor and fuel pump. The truck runs, drives, and stops well, but requires new tires. Offered with a clean Washington title and a folder full of receipts, this is a dependable work truck with a robust drivetrain, ideal for restoration or use as is. Number 8. 1979 Ford F250 Ranger, $2,300. Mojave Valley, Arizona. This 1979 Ford F250 Ranger is equipped with a 460 V8 and automatic transmission, but only first and second gears currently function. Third gear slips, and the radiator leaks. Despite these issues, the engine runs, and recent upgrades include a new fuel and water pump. With 160,000 miles and a clean title, this brown two-wheel drive pickup is a project best suited for someone with transmission repair experience or looking to repurpose a strong big block drivetrain. Number 9. 1988 GMC Sierra SLE, $3,900. Albuquerque, New Mexico. With just 55,000 original miles, this 1988 GMC Sierra SLE is a low-mileage survivor in excellent mechanical condition. Powered by a 5.7-liter TBI V8 and 700 R4 automatic transmission, it features cold air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and new shocks. There are no leaks, and the truck runs and drives great. This rear-wheel drive classic has a clean title and offers tremendous value for collectors seeking originality and low miles from the late 1980s. Number 10. 1988 Ford F50, $2,500, Memphis, Tennessee. This full-size 1988 Ford F350 is powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. Though the truck currently does not run or drive, the engine turns over and appears to be mechanically sound. With 230,000 miles on the odometer and a clean Tennessee title, it serves as either a donor truck or a full-frame project for heavy-duty Ford enthusiasts. Number 11. 1989 Ford F150 XLT Lariat, $3,700, Colorado Springs, Colorado. A nicely optioned 1989 Ford F150 XLT Lariat with a 5.0-liter V8 engine and automatic transmission. This rear-wheel drive truck runs and drives well, featuring a clean blue exterior, new tires, power windows, power locks, cruise control, tilt steering, sliding rear window, and a modern stereo system. It's a great blend of 1980s luxury and classic pickup reliability, all wrapped up with 100,000 miles and a clean Colorado title. Number 12. 1989 Chevrolet Cheyenne 3/4 ton, $2,000, Rice Lake, Wisconsin. A former construction truck, this 1989 Chevrolet Cheyenne 2500 series has been recently refreshed with many new parts, including a windshield, ignition cylinder, fuel lines, and a tune-up. The 8-cylinder engine pairs with an automatic transmission. With 102,026 miles and a clean title, it runs, but the rear end is loose in reverse. Despite some wear, it offers value as a strong work truck or utility vehicle with heavy-duty capabilities. Number 13. 1984 GMC 2500 Classic 4x4, $10,000, San Diego, California. This 1984 GMC 2500 is an outstanding example of a classic heavy-duty 4x4 truck. Equipped with a 5.7-liter gasoline V8 and manual transmission, it presents in excellent condition with 95,740 miles. The four-wheel drive capability and strong drivetrain make it ideal for off-road use, ranch work, or weekend cruising. With a clean California title and excellent presentation, this truck is well suited for collectors seeking a turnkey vintage GMC with power and presence.